Now if I had that thing on Yo, Cuss by Reggie back with another video, just real quick, right? If y'all don't know who JV Barbering is, the link is down below. But he also got the Struggle Made Real. He sent me a sweater, right? Little snug on me. I look like Queen's flipping this thing, holding my gut in, right? But if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos, right? So today, we're just gonna go through the package that my guys at JV Barbering, or JVPro now, has sent me, right? And as you can see, they did send me this. It feel good up here. It's just, once it get to this belly right here, whoo-hoo, we kinda snug. But, shout out to him, he did send me a cape. It looked like a cape. Yeah, sent me a cape. Shout out to him for that. And got the hooks on that thing. Boom, bam, boom. All right. Some nice little water bottles, little powder dispensers, some combs, or the logo. JVPro. Boom. A little satchel wrap around, right? I'm not the, what's it called, a crossbody. I'm not really the fashionable type, but my son about to rock the hell out of this watch. Loosen that thing up. Loosen up, baby, loosen up. I'm gonna throw it around my body real quick, see how it fit. Again, big body. Boom, crossbody on them hoes. Crossbody, all right? Then we're gonna tighten it back up now. I might wear this thing. Oh, Bonnaroo, I'm definitely wearing this to Bonnaroo. If y'all don't know, I go to Bonnaroo every year. So now I got me a nice little bag that we about to rock. Gonna have mine and my wife snacks up in this thing, right? Look at that, look at that. Shout out to them for that. Also, they sent me some shorts. Sent your boy some shorts. We about to get them together. Some little brushes, cleaning brushes and taper brushes that they use in my eye. They got some styling powder again. It's JVPro. I will put all their links in the, oh, look at that. Look at that. Nice little ridges on that comb. Little fade comb with the ridges on it. All right, that's it. Shout out to y'all at JV Barber and JVPro, and that is the Struggle Made Real. That is their other line, as you can see. Struggle Made Real right there. Shout out to y'all, appreciate y'all. This is just a little quick unboxing. Now I gotta lose my gut so I can wear it, cause I gotta support it. You feel me? I gotta support it. They sent it out to me. We're gonna put these shorts on though. I know I can fit the shorts. My bottom half ain't as big. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos. If you dislike the videos, they are not shorts, they are pants. So we will be wearing these when the wintertime hit again. Got some joggers on them ass. Yeah. Appreciate y'all. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like, share. Dislike the videos if you dislike the videos, and we will be back with another one. Also, before I get off of here, I do want to put out there that I also did get the 360 Jeezy and the Barber plug trimmers. They're just the FX3, but they had them. Shout out to Jeezy. I got to talk to him. Yeah, so I just wanted to show them while I was here. Peace.